Hey, hello guys, welcome at Linux Kings. In this tutorial, I will talk about Sandbox. Guys, you have listened about VirtualBox, VMware, and Hyper-V. As you know, these are the virtual platforms where you can install virtual machines. So Sandbox is like the same, but as you know, the VirtualBox and Hyper-V are third-party software, but Hyper-V is inbuilt in Microsoft Windows. So here Sandbox is the another feature of Windows, which is inbuilt feature of Windows. So it work as a virtual machine on Windows, but the drawback of this Sandbox is that in VirtualBox and VMware and Hyper-V we can install multiple virtual machine, but it is a virtual copy of a local system, so it's the single virtual machine. Here we can't create more, so it runs only on Windows 10, and the important thing is that it doesn't support Windows 10 home version, so it only runs above home version like Pro Enterprise. Okay, let's get started how to configure Sandbox in our operating system. So here I have the Windows 10 operating system. So for that I have to go to control panel here. So there will be the control panel. Now here we will click to the programs. Here in programs we have an option that is turn Windows feature on or off. So here we will click here. So now pop-up will be open. Now here you will see there are many options that are checked or unchecked. So here we have to scroll down it. At the bottom you will find an option that is named Windows Sandbox. Here we have to check it. Okay, just enable this option. After enabling, just press OK, and you will see that it is getting its file, and then it will install this in your Windows operating system. So after completing this process, it will require a reboot of your system. Here you can see it is asking for the restart now. Okay guys, I have successfully rebooted my operating system. Now let's check that Sandbox is configured in our operating system or not. So for that I have to go to start menu. You can hit scroll down, or you can just simply type here Windows Sandbox. So here you will see there is an option Windows Sandbox. So by simply clicking on this we can run this, and then you will see that a new virtual operating system will be open in our local machine. So it is taking a little time. So here you will see it's the desktop of your virtual machine. So here you can do many things. You can browse here, or you can install many apps. It is not configured with the different disk space, but it configured on a virtual space. Okay, if you will check its size, then you will see that its storage is about 40 GB. So you have big space available here, that is of 40 GB. So guys, it was about how to configure Sandbox in our operating system. So guys, if you like my videos, please hit like option and also share with your friends, and if you are new at this channel, please subscribe Linux Kings. Thank you guys for watching. See you in next video.